Oh, what a glorious color this is today. Well, what do we have? Oh, hello, didn't see you there. So today we're going to do the texture of this one. Download your favorite texture in any format you like. Okay, don't worry about that. Go to your desktop, name it rifle.jpng because it will come in handy later on. What you'll need to do is convert this one to TGA or a PSD file, so the converter can the build.exe can convert it to .dds, so the Spark engine can read it. Copy that one for later on. Go to your NS2 folder, which is located in C, Program Files, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, Natural Selection 2, NS2. So as you can see in here, there's the models. You'll need to use the same format for the modification. What I will do is you go back to the NS2 folder, launch the launchpad. New, create source file folder, rather. Model source. Oh, what the fuck is this shit? Oh, well, that's pretty interesting. How did this get in here, I wonder? So, what we do is we'll go back here, close that, and go to the new modification. Source. Okay, it's empty now. Go to your model. Create a new folder called Marine, because in here you have NS2 models Marine, you see, using the same format. So you want to fix up the rifle, you go to rifle. You have to create a folder in your source folder called rifle. Drag and drop that into there. And simply paste the rifle.tgs. See this one? Rifle.dds. This one will be converted into DDS by builder. You ready? Simply click build. One succeeded. Done. Go publish. Publish. Publish was successful. Go to your Steam. Browse your workshop. Your files you've posted. Texture for noobs. Noob. Library. Natural selection 2. Make sure you close builder. That should be located there, right here. Otherwise you won't be able to launch. It will give you some shit error. You can launch it from here if you like. Don't worry. Beautiful music brought to you by the North Korean Symphony. Okay, texture for noob. Right there. Subscribe, restart. Customize player. Look, you got your dollar bills on there, bro. Check out that guy right there. Beautiful. Dollar bills even higher quality than before.